Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. Got a 2001 Rm250. This bike was pretty much the same from 2001 to 2008. This one just recently had the forks and shock redone and the entire engine redone, including cylinder work, piston kit, crankshaft work, main bearings and seals, transmission seals, so power valve work. And I was told it's got about 10 hours on it since then, and I know the rider, so I believe it. Only issues, the exhaust pipe's been patched up a couple of times, so that's not real great. He was not big on buying new plastic or anything like that, so that's not the top thing. Not sure if that's a powder coating or paint on the wheels, but it seems to have stayed on pretty well. I've never seen purple wheels on an RM. Other than that, really good solid running bike. Not sure, it's got new CDI bars. Never saw CDI bars before. Let me see if I can get it started without killing the video here, so you can hear it run. I brought it home last night. Let me hold the phone. I don't want to wake up the neighbors here, but I did run it down the road last night when I picked it up. Ran it up and down through the gears a couple of times. Everything shifted well, worked well. I was told it has a new DP clutch, and this EBC tool was in the basket, in the box, so I didn't know if it has a new basket or not. I did ask, and he didn't know. Again, forks were redone, including the seals and the shock too. So just a couple of hours on it since that work was all done. Pretty new tire. Looks like it's been up and down the road a couple of times, but that's about it. Decent sprockets and chain. Should be a lot of good parts on this bike. Again, RM was pretty much the same from 2001 to 2008 for the 250, and a lot of the parts will fit on the 125. Let us know what you need for yours. Check down below to how to get a hold of us, and subscribe to see what else we're taking apart this fall. Thanks.